us in high school, like we have a lot of work getting piled on.
Yeah.
So how do you handle like
that's
high
great.
school, and then on top of that you try to handle something that like I don't really
You
know how
like
to
to do in your
yeah, like
time,
something you like to do, like kind of like in your free time, try to prepare you for what you want to be.
One thing I think is also important to say is that you have time. There's also this false sense you have to get it all done
Yeah.
and go straight into college. You have
Yeah.
to all get it done in college and go straight on to grad school. And of course, that's not the case.
You know, in college, I took some time off. I spent time working with immigrant communities in Miami, and that completely changed my life. I think just seeing a really different lived experience, it helped me really appreciate, you know, some of the opportunities I have, but also really appreciate other people's experiences that were really different and really meaningful. And I think it helped alleviate some of that pressure of like, I have to do this one path or else I'm a failure in life, to realize there's just a lot of ways we derive meaning and richness in life. So
I ultimately wound up going to medical school. And when I was there, I took a year off to do my master's in public health because I wanted a little bit of a break. I knew that I wanted to do public health, and I also wanted a change of scenery because I did my medical school in Buffalo, New York. So I did my master's in California, and it was a crisis. My mother was upset. My aunt was upset. They're like, you're not going to go back and finish your degree. I was like, it's going to be okay. This is all part of the plan. It doesn't seem like much of a rebellion, but it was important to take that. It's important to take detours, and period.
it's been really, really meaningful for me to spend parts of my time with people who don't do anything at all like what I'm doing, and just seeing a bigger world.